Coming through, Natalie. They go down, or they just lay it down?
No, well, I don't know if he crashed or laid it down. Well, you know, these two laid it down to help that guy.
Oh, okay.
No way to park.
What do you say, Win? Having fun?
Yeah, well, I dropped mine earlier. Pinned my leg. If somebody hadn't been behind me, I would have been in trouble.
This will be fun going up. Coming through, Natalie. Oh!
Got a tube up today?
solid goal.
Face right here.
Oh! Oh!
Ahead of time where this goes, Josh? Because we're in the middle of nothing on my map. Did you buy that new? I'm trying not to laugh.
What am I missing?
It's like, oh fuck. Michael went down the Tenere.
Oh,
So you're missing a lot of heavy breathing.
yeah.
A lot of fucks too.
I could get that on HBO.
Russ is like, oh, they're coming down the wrong side. And I looked up, I was like, oh, that's Jimmy's good. You want to go back up it now?
No, I'm exhausted. I've been up and down the hill 3 times.
Well,
I know, I was huffing
twice.
and puffing so bad coming downhill. I'm like, holy shit, I'm getting tired coming down.
Is it Miller time yet?
You know, if I drank, it'd be a day for one.
My little Yamaha Woods bike would tear this hill a new asshole.
You know what? Them damn gnats.
Yep, go.
I'm having a good time, but those gnats are getting on my nerves.
The gnats are tough.
Right here, they're not
They
bad.
hadn't been bothering me.
Well, the whole time I'm waiting on them to walk back up, I've got my helmet closed, my visor down to keep the gnats out of my eyes, and then I can't breathe.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I heard the dog coming up behind me on my left. I was afraid he was about to grab me, so I just gunned it.
I said, well, alrighty then. You don't have to tell me to move over twice.
And then I was almost sorry I did, because I was down in that wet rut, and I'm like, yeah, that was a bad idea.
Damn, dude, I can't go any faster. I'm ready for a cold beer.
Oh, God. Yeah, we're, I think, a few miles out of Cold Beersville yet.
Yeah, we're a long way.
So what's been tougher, this or Squally?
I'm gonna say Squally. This is tough, but I think Squally.
Yeah.
I think Squally was harder. Of course, this has all been downhill. Squally was all uphill, if I remember correctly.
You're telling the
Randy,
story.
did you pull a nail out?
No. Jim, did you pulled the nail? Oh, no?
Well, nobody pulled it out. We gotta
Okay.
go find. Let's find that nail and pull it out before we
So,
go any further.
you reached down. I thought you pulled it.
What the crap? That was not like that when I got there. There's no GPS. Did you put a sticker on here? You big, look at you!
I didn't know what was gonna happen. I've been looking. I'm like, nobody's running an XT, and then I saw she had an XT. I'm like, I got one.